Hello, welcome to question number 26. A metal X reacts with oxygen gas to form X2O3. How many moles of metal react with 20 grams of oxygen? You see, at the end of this stuff, like a lot of people are going to be, a lot of you guys are going to be masters at this stuff. You're going to be really good at this stuff, stoichiometry. So this question here, a metal X reacts with oxygen gas, right? So that means the metal X must react with oxygen gas like this, and it should form X2O3. You see that? It should form that. How many moles of the metal would react with 20 grams of oxygen? Okay, if it should form X2O3, then it means that we should have 2 here, right? Let's try to balance this up. If we have 2 there, it means that the X is balanced, right? But then our oxygen is not balanced because this is 3 and this is 2, right? So we need our oxygen to be 3 on both sides. Why don't we put 3/2 here? So that would mean oxygen is now 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Okay, so that's how you balance with fractions. You can choose to just multiply all through, and then you have 4x plus 3O2 to give 2x2O3. This actually reminds me of aluminium, or aluminum, wherever you are. Aluminum, all good. It's Al. Okay, so this is the balanced equation, and this is what's formed. How many moles of the metal should react with 20 grams of oxygen? So if I have 20 grams of oxygen, what's that in moles? Is 20 divided by the molar mass of oxygen, which should be around 32, right? So when you do that, you would have 0.625 moles of oxygen. That's 20 grams of oxygen. So if you are to look at this, you can see here that 4 moles of the metal would react with 3 moles of oxygen, right? That just means that if you have 0.625 moles of oxygen, then it should react with a particular amount of the metal X. Okay, so if you have been watching this video, you realize I've been calling it X, right? Red X. So what is our red X? Our red X is going to be 0.625 multiplied by 4 divided by 3, and then we would have about 0.8333 moles of X. Okay, so that's the answer. You can choose to leave it like this if you want 0.383 moles of X. Alright, so this is the end of this question, and again, if this was helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, so that when we release video number 27, you will see it. Okay, and of course, if you have your own questions you would like us to put up here as well, so that others can learn, you can put it in the comments or send it to our DMs, whichever one you like. Okay, so I'll see you on question 27. Okay, bye bye.